Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to cover one topic that is how to stay motivated. So if you have ever felt that you are feeling demotivated while learning English language, then this video is for you. My friends, I have noticed many people when they see no improvement in their English or when they don't see quick improvement in their English, that time they feel disappointed, they feel demotivated, they feel that I cannot practice any longer. So if you are also one of them, this video will help you, surely. Actually, I have been practicing English language for a long time, to be honest. And throughout my journey, I have noticed I wasn't able to stay motivated. And why? Because it is not one day task. Even it is not 1 week task. It is years and years task. Okay? Sometimes it takes years and years to improve English language. And that is why if you say that I want to stay motivated for forever, it won't be possible. Because we are human beings. When we don't get expected results, we feel demotivated, right? And it is natural process that we are learning English language. We cannot get mastery over this language in a day or in a week. So it's obvious to feel demotivated sometime. But feeling demotivated doesn't mean you need to stop your journey. You should continue. Actually, sometimes we feel demotivated, we feel unhappy. But it is not that much important. We need to focus on those aspects also in our life. But what is more important? That no matter how we are feeling, no matter what are the circumstances around us, we need to continue. If we want to see the big result in our life, if we want to achieve something big, okay? You may have seen a lot of successful people. What do? They don't stop their practice, they don't stop their work for small things that, okay, I'm feeling unhappy or I'm feeling demotivated, that is why I'm not going to practice. But what we do, when we feel little bit unhappy, when we feel that something is going around us, we stop practicing, my friend. Then how can we become a fluent English speaker in short period of time? It takes 100% consistency and discipline. Okay, so be disciplined no matter what is going on around you. In my case, I have never ever broken my consistency. I always listen, I always talk to my friend, I mean every single day. Okay, so in your case also, if you want to become a fluent English speaker, don't care that much whether you are feeling demotivated or not, because you cannot remain motivated. Sometime if you watch my video or others video, you may feel motivated, but next day you may not feel. So it doesn't mean you have to stop practicing. It doesn't mean you have to stop learning English language. I've seen many people, when they found that their English was not improving very quickly, they left practicing. So can you just imagine about their English at this point? They might be not speaking very fluently. Why? Because they stopped. So in your case, you don't have to make the same kind of mistake. Okay, you need to find out something new. Okay, and how you can do it, no matter how you are feeling, no matter what are the situation in your life, continue. Keep practicing, keep talking to people, keep listening, keep reading, keep doing whatever you are doing. Not whatever you are doing. If you want to change also, okay? But to keep trying from your side. Never stop. If you stop, it will become ugly. Okay? Because whatever you have learnt, you will forget. And for that reason, we should not stop. My friend, if we want to stay motivated, one thing also we can do, we just have to glance back that how was my English and how I'm speaking now. If you see others, you may feel that their English is so good and you may feel disappointed, you may feel demotivated. But you need to compare with yourself. You have to think, how was your English, how you are speaking English language, and how now you are speaking English language. Compare with yourself. You will better understand. And this comparison will make you motivated. But if you compare with others, you will feel demotivated. Sometimes you may feel happy also, because if someone is speaking not very good way, so you feel, okay, I'm speaking so good. But what if someone is speaking better than you? In that case, you are going to feel demotivated. So stop comparing with others. This is also a main point to make you feel demotivated if you start comparing with others. So stop comparing with others. Start comparing with yourself. That will make you motivated. Okay? And change your habit also. Because once something has become our habit, we'll continue doing that activity. No matter what is going on around us, or how others are treating, what is going on, or how our environment is, it doesn't matter. We'll ignore everything if it has become our habit to learn English language or to practice anything, not only English language. Okay, so if you do like this, you will stay motivated, or you will see the result whether you feel motivated or not. My friends, sometimes it doesn't matter whether we are that much happy or not, whether we are that much motivated or not, because they are temporary, but our result is going to be permanent. We are going to speak this language very fluently. That is going to be permanent. But coming to feeling demotivated, coming to feeling unhappy, these all are temporarily things. They are today, they may not be tomorrow. Okay, so don't worry, don't expend your energy for these all kind of things. But yeah, sometimes it's okay. It also matters. When we watch someone's video, we feel motivated, and I would say that is external motivation. Okay, and that is also important sometime to start something. When we listen someone, let's suppose you have watched someone video, and from there you got motivated that, okay, I am going to start learning English language, right? So sometime it will remain with you. But if you have inner motivation, I mean, okay, I will become a fluent English speaker, I'm going to practice every single day. If you have both kind of motivation in you, I mean external and internal, that will remain with you for a long time, and it will help you. Okay, both kind of motivations are helpful for us, but which one is more helpful? That is inner motivation. That can take you little longer, but coming to external, it ends very quickly. We get motivated, we feel that, okay, I'm very much energized, I can do anything in a day. But after a few days, we feel that, okay, I don't have energy, I cannot do that thing. Why it happens? Because that thing was external. Okay, and it didn't have that much potential to stay longer in our life. Okay, so what I mean here, you need to have both kind of motivation if it's possible, external and internal. And how you can get internal motivation? When you stop comparing with others, start comparing with yourself, and be disciplined and change your habit. If you change your habit, my friend, you will see drastic changes in your life. Changing habit means what? Whatever you are doing in your past life, you are not going to repeat the same thing. See, if those habits were benefiting you, then well done, continue. But if you have found that those habits were not benefiting you, then stop, or just change your habits gradually. Okay, because if you have the good habit, no one can stop you from achieving anything. Learning English, you will speak English language because you have habits, like habit of listening English, habit of reading books, habit of speaking with people, habit of recording yourself. If you have habit of doing these all things, then what can stop you from speaking English language? So my friend, habit is the main thing to achieve something. So change it if you have found that your habits are not good. I mean, after getting up, what do you do? Do you scroll your mobile, or do you think what I can do in my life? I mean, how to speak English language? If you speak English language, then what next? Like what I can do so that I can make my life better. Okay, so do that kind of things. But if you are going to repeat the same kind of activity, I mean you have the same habits, then your result will be also same. You have to change your habit. And once something has become our habit, we'll continue no matter what is happening in our life. In my case, it has become my habit to practice English language. Knowingly or unknowingly, I keep doing. Like I listen, I read, I talk to people. When I don't do these all things, in the end of the day, I feel, oh, something I'm missing. Okay, so in your case also it should be. Then you can become a fluent English speaker. Okay, so don't care so much that okay, one day I'll feel very much motivated, then speak English language. No, it's not good. It's good if you get motivation from somewhere, but it will not remain with you for forever. Remember one thing, okay? So focus on your habits, focus on your discipline, focus on your consistency. These all are the important things. Okay, that whether you are practicing every single day or not, whether you have the good habits or not, these all matters a lot for achieving anything in our life. Okay, so if you want to stay motivated, just to measure your progress, see that how far you have come. Okay, don't see others that how good they are speaking. If you compare with others, it is obvious that you will feel demotivated. If I start comparing with others, I may feel demotivated. Oh, my English is not good, I have given a lot of time. But I don't do this. Earlier I used to do, now I don't do. And I feel so happy. And I enjoy learning process also nowadays. So everything has changed. Okay, so change your mindset, change your habit, and become more disciplined, and become more consistent, and then you will see great result in your life. This is what I wanted to share with you. I hope my video is helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.